हाय दोस्तों, दिसंबर 2020 का एक और खुशनुमा रविवार की सुबह और हम आ गए हैं अपने पॉजिटिव कोरोना वॉरियर्स के एक नए एपिसोड के साथ आपके सामने। फिर क्या कर रहा है कैलिडियोस्कोप आपके लिए इस पूरे समय काल में? हम आपके लिए हेल्थ, एडुकेशन और अलग अलग तरीके के फील्ड के लोगों के सामने आपको लेकर आए। पिछला हमने एक एपिसोड रेलवे पे भी किया, एस्ट्रोलॉजी पे भी किया, ये जानने के लिए कि इस कोरोना के टाइम में व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड अस टू कीप अस मोर एंड मोर पॉजिटिव। और इसी सीरीज़ में हम आ गए हैं आज एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जगह पे जो एक्चुअली हमारे भविष्य के हेल्थ के लिए, हमारे हेल्थ के लिए, बच्चों के हेल्थ के लिए शायद ये जो इनिशिएटिव है, it is going to be one of the milestone events which has ever happened before. I am very surprised and I am very shocked कि शायद हम लोग जिस तरह का घर में आज मिल्क फूड्स खाते हैं, जो प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियों के जो हम चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं, you know, somewhere down the line they could even be harmful. That's what we have heard. तो हम जानना चाहते हैं कि क्या होता है ये A1 A2। हम जानना चाहते हैं कि ये जो पूरा हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री है उसने इस पॉजिटिव कोरोना टाइम पे क्या किया, किस तरह के एंटरप्रेन्योर्स निकल कर आए। और फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यू ऑल। टुडे आई एम वेरी प्राउड हियर दैट वी आर टेकिंग यू टू अ डेयरी फार्म कॉल्ड अमृत डेयरी फार्म। गांधीनगर के जस्ट पास में अंबापुर करके एक गाँव में देयर इज़ अ वंडरफुल इनिशिएटिव विच हैज़ बीन सेट बाई अ पर्सन जिन्होंने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग फार्म यहाँ पर डेवलप किया है, जिसको हम स्पेशली आज लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिव फ्रेंड्स वी केम टू विजिट इट, एंड यू विल बी शॉक्ड एंड हैप्पी टू नो दैट दिस इनिशिएटिव हैज़ नॉट बीन स्टार्टेड बाय अ फार्मर. It has been actually started by an engineer who actually is a software engineer, and to help him ably, his wife has been there always for him, who in fact is a chemical engineer. तो कभी कभी लगता है कि सॉफ्टवेयर के अलग अलग जो है प्रोसेसेस और केमिकल रिएक्शंस अगर साथ में मिल जाएं तो क्या होगा। वेल, लेट्स विजिट दिस फार्म एंड फाइंड आउट दैट व्हेन अ आईटी इंजीनियर मीट्स अ केमिकल इंजीनियर, व्हाट डज इट गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी। आइए। सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर वी आर हियर इनटू दिस वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड ऑफ अमृत फार्म, and I am so happy to have with me here Shrikant Malde ji. Welcome sir.
Thank you sir.
And Charmi ji, they are the wonderful, I think, the proprietors and the main visionaries behind this wonderful farm which we are going to witness. First of all, I will like to hand over this Kaleidoscope to you sir.
Thank you. Thank you
this
sir.
is the essence of our channel. इसमें आप जब देखेंगे, when you watch through this Kaleidoscope, you will see different colors of life,
yes.
And that is what we try to present to all our viewers. So a little bit about yourself sir.
So I'm Shrikant Malde. I am an ex-software engineer and now a full-time dairy farmer. We have started this wonderful journey called Amrut Dairy Farm before 3 years, and it has been a wonderful journey, typical startup, but not in the tech world but in the agricultural world. We started off with 4 cows, and as of now we have 80 plus cows, and we have a range of products like milk, ghee, butter, paneer and etc., and also a range of fertilizers and pesticides made totally out of organic dung and
wow,
urine.
this is so wonderful. मैं जब इस ट्रिप के लिए आ रहा था और श्रीकांत जी के बारे में मेरे थॉट्स चल रहे थे, I was thinking about someone called Shahrukh Khan of Swadesh, which says that going back to the roots, going back to your country from a software engineer where he could have done something globally, he is back to the roots and serving the farmland. That's a wonderful thought.
Thank you.
Before we take this story ahead, a little bit about yourself, Charmi ma'am.
Yes. I am a chemical engineer basically, and I work as a professor in a college at Nadia. So he has been a motivating force behind me. So he is motivating in the sense that I too should get into all this, and we together can make the journey worthwhile. So yes, everything, nature and everything has a lot of importance in our lives. So yes, we want to contribute something to the world, something doing for the benefit of the society.
That is another wonderful thought. So love for each other and doing it together. मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं दर्शकों, जामनगर, जाम साहब के शहर से आए हुए ये दोनों, they are an example of what a Gujarati entrepreneur and mindset can do. I was hearing a bit thoughts about Shrikant ji, you know, he mentioned a few words and said that it is passion, hard work, and trying to do something unique which is there. And they have been together for almost 7 years. Congratulations to both of you. They have been doing great things together, and I wish all the best to this initiative.
Thank you, sir.
यूजुअली व्यूअर्स को क्या लगता है जब कोई मूवी रिलीज होती है, पहले ही आप ये बताइए हीरो कौन है, हीरोइन कौन है, बाकी जो मेहनत है वो तो दिखती नहीं है. तो हमने सोचा क्यों ना आपको सबसे पहले हम यही दिखाएं कि व्हाट इज अमरूद डेयरी फार्म ब्रिंगिंग टू योर डोर स्टेप. सो इफ वी कैन जस्ट यू नो बी देयर फॉर अ व्हाइल सर, एंड इफ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन अस के क्या है ये हमारे बीच में अभी.
So our main product is Gir Cow's A2 milk. We started off with that. We deliver in such glass bottles.
You can take it up, sir. Yeah, just show it to the viewers. Okay.
And so basically this is Gir Cow's A2 milk, totally raw, unprocessed, unpressurized, and it gets delivered to a customer's doorstep in 2 to 3 hours of milking. So it's as fresh, as raw, as pure as it can be. And then we also started Gir Cow Bilona ghee. So this is basically the ghee made out of old Bilona method, which basically uses all the milk, converts it to curd, then that through the culture, and then using that Bilona the makhan is made, chash is separated, and from the makhan the ghee is made. So this is a real ghee, the ghee that Ayurveda has numerous mentions of, and the real ghee which really makes a difference to your health. Then we also do paneer and makhan on demand as per our customers' needs. Then gradually we also ventured out into cow dung products. So all these articles that you see out here, so Charmi is the brainchild behind this. She has made numerous products out of these cow dung articles. We have diyas, we have Ganesh and Lakshmi murtis, we have a cow idol totally made out of cow dung, we have mobile stand, and a number of other products. We also make organic fertilizers and pesticides out of organic so cow dung and cow urine. And not a single drop of water or drop of liquid goes waste outside of this farm. All of it is utilized, value added, and marketed to the right audience.
So गौ माता का जो है हमारे हिंदू धर्म में उसकी एक खास जगह है. कहा जाता है कि उनके बने हुए प्रोडक्ट से अगर हम लोग अपने लाइफ के पूरे पैशन को फॉलो करेंगे, लाइफ स्टाइल को फॉलो करेंगे, देन देर इज़ नो नीड ऑफ एनीथिंग एल्स, बिकॉज इट कम्स आउट ऑफ प्योर यू नो वार्मथ ऑफ मदरहुड, and it is safe from every kind of diseases and viruses. We have to just understand the beauty of it. Well, Charmi ji, this is so wonderful. इस बार गणपति में भी काफ़ी सारी इस तरह की बातचीत हो रही थी कि आप पुराने तरह के जो है गणपति की मूर्तियों को हटाकर, बिकॉज कोरोना में आप उसको कहाँ डालेंगे, और जो हम देखते हैं it has been so badly handled. Tell us a little bit about this wonderful Ganpati Murti that has been created.
Yes, so they are basically made from cow dung only. 80% of it is cow dung, and around 20% is some binding material. Again, that is a natural one, like methi powder, or you can say guar gum or something like that. And then it turns out to be totally eco-friendly. Once the Visarjan is done, you can then directly use it in your pots or plants somewhere, so that works as a fertilizer. Again, then once we found that yes, people are attracted towards it because everyone is asking for eco-friendly products these days, so then we tried our hands on some Diwali products. So like we had made diyas, dhoop sticks, shubh labh, charan paduka, etc. So yes, and then now we are still working on the products, like we want to make something where the utility is more. We can concentrate on the utility and the products which can be used around the year.
That is another so interesting thought coming out here, that so much of things can be done. I could hear Shrikant sir in a little bit of a briefing he was giving to all members of Positive Zindagi. He was telling how cow dung, if you are able to spend hours after it researching, it can become such a wonderful thing for your family. There are so many uses to the whole thing. And as you can all see that we only focus on the milk part, and then we are focusing on cow, ghee, paneer and other stuff, but there is more to it that meets the eye. Also sir, before we get on to this entire journey, I was also hearing about some ills of the current milk system that you were talking about. So will you like to share that with the viewers?
So first of all, there is very little awareness about A1 and A2. What is A1, what is A2? I'll just very briefly talk about it. A1 is basically a type of milk protein that comes in the milk of a foreign breed of cows like HF and Jersey. whereas A2 milk comes out from A2 cows, basically Indian cows which has hump and a dewlap and are normally different in a different region. Like in Gujarat we have Gir and Kankrej, in Punjab we have Sahiwal and so on. So all these cows which has hump basically on their back and has A2 DNA produces A2 milk, and that A2 milk is scientifically proven to be more effective and more benefit for the health. There is a book called Devil in the Milk by Australian scientist who has done this extensive research and states that this milk helps in a variety of diseases like schizophrenia, autism, cancer, heart disease, and you name it, and the disease is on the list. So there is a lot of advantage. So quantity that comes out of these cows is very less, so it almost is 3 to 4 times costlier than the conventional milk, but the quality that comes out of it is way too beneficial. And then there is that whole system of cooperatives. I will not name any cooperative, but basically that whole system is sort of corrupted in current context, because there is no concentration or there is no incentive for quality. All the milk that is collected from the farmers is just based on one parameter, that is fat, and actually if you want to have fatty milk, then buffalo's milk can be easily available, but it is not what your body requires. Your body requires nutritious milk that giving protein, nutrients, and a number of things that can be ultimately beneficial for your health. So that comes out only from A2 cows and A2 milk. And because this is costly, people think that okay, we are charging too much and things like that, but when you go into it, you can understand that even at this cost, it's not viable for us to run only on the milk.
Thank you so much, Shrikantji. Well, there are two ways of looking at life. One is the Japanese way, the Six Sigma Kaizen way, which says quality is going to be a most important factor in our life. And then we know the Chinese way. The whole world is suffering out of it. There are no quality parameters, there are no rules, and there is nothing that you need to follow. What we understood today is that I have seen the Operation Flood movement from my childhood, and I can definitely say that the numbers and the volumes are great, but are we absolutely taking what is necessary for our children? That is the reason, sir, we felt that you should be a part of this Positive Corona Warrior series.
Thank you.
In this entire 7-8 months of epidemic and pandemic. बच्चों का health, बच्चों का ध्यान रखना, school systems are closed, that is at the foremost in our mind of every household, and I really hope that yes, our A2 milk will reach to every small tiny tot of India, and that will make us more stronger.
Yeah.
And if we are going after our own cows, the A2 cows and the cows with the hump, aren't we talking about Atmanirbhar Bharat? Let's give it a thought. With that, we will slowly now take you to the ride of these lovely celebrities who are there, and also tell you that coming up with all these products is not a child's play. Thank you.